I have some zinnias with powdery mildew. Should I pull them so it doesn't spread or clip just the offshoots that have it? This is Deetra72 on YouTube. So, Doc, yeah, zinnias and powdery mildew. Who knew, right?
Yeah. Powdery mildew. Well,
Powdery
I know
mildew.
powdery mildew, but they look really sad. Zinnias get leaf spot. They get all these things late in the summer, like we are right now, going into fall and winter. And she could do either or, as far as I'm concerned.
Okay.
She could cut them all back and fertilize them and let them maybe come back, because we are several weeks from, getting really, really cold weather, so maybe they can come back. Or she can spray them with something like chlorothalonil, which is supposed to control powdery mildew.
Right.
So me, I would just yank them all up. Save my seed maybe from some of them, but this time of year, you got to think about, well, it's the end of the season. Do I want to dedicate a lot of time to these that are only going to be around for not very long, and put out a bunch of pesticides and things that, you really don't need this time of year?
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. What do you think about that, Joelle?
Yeah, I mean, and it also depends on how bad they are. I mean, she says to cut out some of them. Well, is it just a few of them that have it?
Yeah.
And if it is, then yeah, I would cut those out. But then I would spray fungicide preventatively on the others. And she could have flowers clear through, till frost.
Yeah.
Because
they come back pretty quickly.
Yeah, they do. That would be good. If you're going to use fungicide, please read and follow the label. I think you'd be fine with that. But yeah, culturally, maybe to get some good air, circulation.
True,
in there,
that's
dry those leaves off. Where are they? Are they located near a wall or something like that?
Yeah.
Good
So
point.
those are kind of things I would think about, as well. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.